I've used this with a wide range of stakeholders, on the village level with people who couldn't read and write or speak my language, and with PhD researchers, international policymakers, everyone in between. And one thing that I see is that very often a lot of technical people always look for the technical reason for success and failure. And in a lot of cases, there's actually a political reason. So your technical solution is perfect, but you didn't think politics when you tried to implement it. You annoyed someone, you didn't see what the incentive structures were, and then the perfect technical solution doesn't help at all. You collect quantitative and qualitative network data. That's more interesting, I think, for researchers. But it also helps for those of you who have to write reports and want them to be impressive. It always helps to have some figures in there as well. I found that visualization really helps discussing complex issues, because if you think any issue that, let's say, has 20 actors involved, which would be a really basic netmap, with 3 kinds of links and their influence and goals. If you want to tell me the story without having a picture, I have a headache just thinking about it. But if you have 50 actors involved and 4 different links, I start running. You can build consensus and get buy-in, or at least understand where you disagree and what you need to work around or work with, and avoid misunderstandings. And the influence towers really focus on something that a lot of mapping techniques don't want to talk about, because talking about power makes people often uncomfortable. But if you don't think about who's the most influential, it's really difficult to be strategic, because then you work with everyone a little bit, or you work with the people you like, or whatever you choose, the people that your predecessors worked with, but you don't really focus on the people in the center.